Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.